8:19 on your hometown station, AM 1220 KHTS. It's time. It's Tuesday's tax tip with Liberty Tax. Ritu, good morning.
Good morning, George.
Now, the holidays are coming up, as we well know.
Yes.
I mean, unless you literally live under a rock. And there are opportunities under certain conditions where your holiday gift can also be a tax deduction. How does that work?
Absolutely. Okay, so when you're giving out some gifts, like any monetary gift, you can take the receipt and keep it, and you can take it as a tax deduction in your personal taxes. If you're giving out toys and you know you have the receipt for it, you know the value for it, you can keep that deduction. If you're donating at Goodwill, you're taking out all the trash from your house and donating it away because you don't use it. There are websites, actually you can go on Goodwill's website, you can take the fair market value of that product and take that tax deduction in your taxes. So there are many ways of getting that contribution deduction in your itemized sheet out there.
Exactly. Giving and also getting back in return, which is
Yes.
always good. And it's really important because not only does it give us incentive to give, but it also is a good opportunity to make sure that we are, just as we've talked about all the time, making sure that you understand what not only your liability is, but what you also can benefit from in your taxes. Why it's always good to have a tax professional talk to you about what you might be missing out on. So this is a good opportunity. So let's say, for example, I am a business and I want to give something to my clients, for example. How does that work? Is that a dicey situation?
No, it's not a dicey.
Okay.
Actually, all businesses do that. I mean, as a small business, even I do it. We end up buying a lot of things to give out to the entire, we do B2B. That's called contributions from your side. It can be a deduction on your, on your profit and loss as an expense also. You can expense as a business all the gifts you're giving out to your clients, to anyone. It's basically an expense for you. But if you're giving out gifts as a personal, in your individual, by yourself, that can be, let's call it a donation. If you're giving out a donation, then that can be a contribution and a big deduction in your taxes.
I see. And so it's especially things like when you're giving to, like we have Toys for Tots and things, as long as it's...
Absolutely. You should just keep a receipt of everything.
And that's the main thing. Keep all your receipts, because you never know. And there are so many things, and I know we could talk in the future, things we haven't even considered as business deductions that I know that are out there too. But this is a really good opportunity to review your deductions, the opportunities, by visiting Liberty Tax Service, located on Bouquet Canyon at the corner of Seco and Bouquet. Outstanding. And the Liberty waiver will be out next year, or in January?
You will be seeing our Liberty waivers early this year. You'll be seeing them in December 1st.
So they'll be out there. So in case you're going, where's Liberty Tax? You'll see Lady Liberty out there waving to you, waving you in. Ritu, you always give such really incredibly awesome advice, and it's a good opportunity to go in and talk to Ritu, and especially this time of year. You've got deductions to think about. You should consider what your tax possible liability could be for the upcoming year. Do it before the end of the year, right?
Please do it before the end of the year.
And also don't forget health insurance open enrollment right now for Covered California is still is going on right now. So you want to probably have the opportunity to review your stuff.
Yes, and we have a health insurance agent sitting in our office now, so come on in and she can totally help you.
Outstanding. Liberty Tax Service, once again, corner of Seco Canyon and Bouquet. You can't miss it. Thank you so much. Always insightful and wonderful, Ritu. Enjoy the rest of your day and have a great holiday.